Welcome to my audio article, Edmond Halley, Charting the Heavens and Beyond. When you hear the name Halley, you probably think of the comet that blazed across our skies once in a lifetime. But Edmond Halley was much more than a man who predicted a comet's return. He was a brilliant English astronomer, physicist, mathematician, and even inventor, whose restless curiosity left a lasting mark on nearly every corner of science. Edmond Halley was born in London in 1656 into a wealthy family that nurtured his early passion for the stars. His father supplied him with books, tutors, and even his own astronomical instruments. So by the time he entered Queen's College, Oxford, he was already a practiced observer of the night sky. At just age 20, Halley published his first scientific paper on Saturn and Jupiter, and before long he had earned election to the Royal Society in London, one of the youngest ever to receive that honor. From the very beginning, Halley's scientific curiosity knew no bounds. He sailed to the remote island of St. Helena to chart the stars in the southern hemisphere, creating a catalog of 341 stars that won him respect across Europe. He turned his attention to the Earth instead, studying tides, trade winds, and magnetic variation, pioneering fields we now call geophysics and meteorology. He even invented a diving bell that allowed explorers to stay underwater for over an hour, a remarkable feat in the 17th century. But Halley's most important scientific adventure began with comets. While others believed each bright comet was a new visitor from space, Halley suspected otherwise. Poring over records, he realized that the comets of 1531, 1607, and 1682 were actually the same object, circling the sun on an elongated orbit. He boldly predicted it would return in 1758. Halley did not live to see it, but when the comet appeared right on schedule, his name was forever attached to it, Halley's Comet. It was a spectacular confirmation of Newton's laws of gravitation and dispelled centuries of superstition surrounding these celestial wonders. Halley's connection with Sir Isaac Newton was just as important. In fact, Halley was the one who encouraged Newton to publish his masterpiece, the Principia Mathematica. He even paid for the printing himself, recognizing the revolutionary importance of Newton's ideas on motion and gravity. Without Halley's persistence and support, Newton's work might never have been published. Over his long career, Halley never stopped exploring. He studied the proper motions of stars, proving that even the brightest points in the night sky were not fixed, but drifted through space. He experimented with navigation instruments, helped refine methods for determining longitude at sea, and served as Astronomer Royal at Greenwich. His work guided sailors across the oceans and pushed forward humanity's understanding of both Earth and the heavens. Edmond Halley died in 1743 at age 85, but his legacy endures in every field he touched. From the return of his famous comet to the contributions of astronomy, mathematics, and physics, Halley remains one of the great universal minds of science. His life reminds us that curiosity and boldness can chart paths into the unknown, and sometimes, if we are lucky, leave our name among the stars. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed learning about Edmond Halley, a scientist whose influence continues to shine across the centuries.